Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 16. Observe the month of Abib, and keep the Pesach unto Yahweh your Elohim. For Yahweh your Elohim brought you from Mitzrayim by night during the month of Abib. Therefore you will sacrifice the Pesach unto Yahweh your Elohim of the flock and herd in the place where Yahweh will choose to place his name. You will not eat leavened bread with it. For 7 days you will eat upon unleavened bread, the bread of affliction, because you came from the land of Mizraim in haste, so that you may remember the day when you came from the land of Mizraim all the days of your life. And there will be no leavened bread seen with you in all your territory for 7 days, nor will there be any flesh remaining all night until morning, from the sacrifice of the first day at evening. You will not sacrifice the Pesach within any of your gates, which Yahweh your Elohim gives you, but at the place which Yahweh your Elohim will choose to place his name. There you will sacrifice the Pesach at evening, during the going down of the sun, in the season that you came forth out of Mitzrayim. Also you will roast and eat it in the place which Yahweh your Elohim will choose. Then in the morning return and go to your tents. For 6 days you will eat unleavened bread. Also on the 7th day you will have a Mikra Kodesh unto Yahweh your Elohim. You will do no work. You will number 7 weeks unto yourself. Begin to number the 7 weeks from the piercing of the grain with the sickle. Therefore you will keep the feast of Shavuot unto Yahweh your Elohim with the tribute of a free will offering of your hand, which you will give according as Yahweh your Elohim has endowed you. Therefore you will celebrate before Yahweh your Elohim, you and your son and your daughter and your manservant and your maidservant, and the Levim who are in your gates, and the sojourner, and the fatherless, and the widow who are among you, in the place which Yahweh your Elohim has chosen to place his name. Also you will remember that you were a bondman in Mitzrayim. Therefore you will observe to do these customs. You will observe the feast of Sukkot for 7 days, after you have gathered in your grain and wine. Furthermore, you will celebrate during your feast, you and your son and your daughter and your manservant and your maidservant and the Levim, the sojourner and the fatherless and the widow who is within your gates. For 7 days you will feast unto Yahweh your Elohim in the place that Yahweh will choose, because Yahweh your Elohim will endow you in all your increase and in all the works of your hands. Therefore, surely you will celebrate. All your meals will appear before Yahweh your Elohim in the place that he will choose 3 times during the year, in the feast of Matzot, in the feast of Shavuot, and in the feast of Sukkot. However, they will not appear before Yahweh empty. Every man will give as he is able, according to the endowment of Yahweh your Elohim, which he has given you.